Alrighty, what a delighty. I think the first time we put these kayaks in the river here this year.
Oh yeah.
It's May 21st, 2021. Yonder way we go. I like to go over on that side, and it's even gross, it's even creepier if you go over there. Do all kinds of things in here.
You're not going down the river backwards.
I'm not going down the river at all right now.
What are you playing? I get like reggae music.
You're gonna go good Led Zeppelin?
Yes. All the way. Just show how much better I am. I just want to know what
Little bass. Oliver, no bassy bass. I wish I had me telling the speech on the camera.
You were like, every time we cast here, boom.
Yeah. Little bassy bass, there he is. You're good, go to the right, push yourself to the right. He lost his tube. I told him to go to the right. First guy did. Silas went to the right, but Dom did not go to the right. He was fucked. Good little river trip. See you next time.